Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to post a story on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Snapchat app. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just make sure that you swipe left or right, okay? So that you'll be able to see the capture screen. Now, go ahead and go through your memories if you want to, or take a fresh snap right here, just like so. And then once that's done, edit it however you want, add in some text. Let's say hi, tap on done, move it wherever you want, add in some filters, add in some effects right here if you want to as well. And then once that's done, you can now then go ahead and tap on stories right here. Okay? Instead of sending it to someone, well, just tap on stories. Wait a bit, and as you can see here, it says added to story. So to go ahead and find your story, well, go ahead and go back. All right. Open up your Bitmoji right here, or the story itself. Now here you have your story. So just tap on it. You'll be able to see the views right here. And that's how simple it is to post a story on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.